how to create a lobby gaming in your server like this. Create a game and fork a club of first. And like this, I'm create another one. Create server like this.
Tama nga ka, ana.
Ipa. This copy this and go to my link. I'm tutoring like this. And you see a Askin is server. You need Ashkin server. Yes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.